Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use a new feature of automate.video, customizing your virtual presenter. Let's begin. First, upload your PowerPoint or PDF, as usual. As a reminder, you have different options when creating an avatar for your PowerPoint. You can make your avatar read the notes sections or the text of the slides of your PowerPoint, or even directly create an entire speech from the content of your slides with Presenter GPT. As for the new feature, when you choose to create a virtual presenter, you can already select a high-quality, pre-configured avatar in the list. Now, you can also upload a picture that will be used to create your virtual presenter. You will get better results with a picture with a transparent background. Don't forget, it is important to have the right to use these pictures. As for the voice, you can select the gender of the voice, pick a specific voice in the list, or, if your subscription allows it, clone your own voice. Let's watch the result.
Welcome to Consulting Company Summer Academy 2019. In this presentation, you will learn more about Consulting Company. Let's get started.
Thank you for following this tutorial. We hope you enjoyed it. Go to www.automate.video to sign up and start creating your videos.